everybody. I'm Suchitra, and today I'm here with a recipe from Middle East, especially Lebanon. It's called mojadra. It's a rice recipe and with lots of lentils, so it is carbs and proteins put together with simple herbs and very less amount of ingredients. I am doing this because me and my sister-in-law with her sister, we live in different parts of the world and trying to combine few recipes which using common ingredients turn out so beautiful in their own way. So let's proceed. My ingredients are brown organic rice. I have taken 1.5 cups. Brown lentils, also 1.5 cups. 2 big onions thinly chopped, a handful of parsley, we have half cup of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves, green part of the onion, 3 bay leaves, 1.5 tablespoons roasted cumin seed powder, and 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, salt as per taste, and 5 cups of water. So we're going to begin cooking now, and first we are going to cook the rice and lentil together till they are fully cooked. We will add the garlics and the pepper and cumin seed together. So let's go ahead. So to cook the rice and lentils together, we need a big pot with a lid, and to fry the onions we need a shallow fry pan. First, we add 5 cups of water into the pot. And turn the heat on to high as we are going to boil this water, and once it starts boiling, we will be adding the garlic, the pepper, the bay leaves and cumin powder to it. So let's cover the lid and wait till the water boils. While the water boils, we are going to caramelize the onion. So I have half cup of olive oil, goes into the pan, turn the heat on to medium high. Once the oil is hot, we are going to fry the onions till they turn golden brown. We'll be removing the onions on the paper towels as we don't need them to be very oily. So that's the trick about having onions caramelized yet spreadable. Now that the water has started to heat up very fast, we are going to put the bay leaves, the garlic cloves, cumin powder and pepper powder. Gently mix it and allow the water to boil. In Mediterranean cooking, cumin is a very important spice. It gives a very good fragrance to the dishes and a unique flavor which is predominant in Mediterranean cooking. Oil is very hot now. We are going to start putting the onions in batches. If we put all at once, they will not get caramelized properly. We'll put only half of the onions for now and let them brown a bit. As you can see, the water has boiled completely. It's time to add the rice. Brown organic rice takes a bit longer to cook, whereas the lentils get cooked very fast. So we are going to allow the rice to boil first, cover it and keep for 5 minutes, then add the lentils. key to caramelizing onions is you allow them to rest in oil for 3 minutes. Then you can shake them and turn them over for even browning. As you can see, the onion has started caramelizing. The ends start browning first and then the middle. We can gently turn them over and allow the other side to get crisp. Spread them evenly. Now you can see the rice water has started boiling. And beautiful aroma of cumin, garlic, peppers has filled my kitchen. It's time to add the lentils, and we are going to cover and keep it again for almost 10 to 12 minutes. Give it a gentle stir and cover. Now we will not stir the rice until it is fully done. We will be fluffing the rice in the end to mix with the parsley and the onions. So as of now, the rice and lentils will get cooked together to a beautiful aromatic mixture. Now this lot of onions is done, fully caramelized, browned beautifully. If we leave it more in the oil, it will start burning. So let's take it out and drain the excess oil on the paper towel. Is almost cooked. It's time to add the salt. Now salt is as per your taste. I have about 2 tablespoons of salt here, and we are going to knead it fully. Give it a gentle stir just to even out. And we are going to cover it again. This will take about 5 minutes. We turn the heat off and allow it to rest for about half a minute. In the meanwhile, we are going to make a sauce that goes as a side dish with the mojadra. So we need jalapenos. Depends on how spicy you like the sauce. So I have about 1 jalapeno de-seeded and cut into rounds. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have a 1/4 cup of walnuts, juice of half a lemon, salt, parsley and coriander with some olive oil. The sauce is very simple. We just blend all these ingredients together and keep it on the side. All the ingredients for the sauce in the blender, and now this is ready. We will take it out in a bowl. Put the pot now. The rice is ready, beautifully cooked, and the lentils. We gently fluff it. Take the bay leaves off. We don't need them. The garlic cloves are cooked, so we just smash them against the pot and mix it with the rice. We need the garlic flavor in the rice. And now is the layering part. So we have a flat dish and we start spreading the rice over it. Spread some parsley the green of the onion. Again some rice. We top with little bit of parsley more. The green of the onion. And a beautifully caramelized onion. All of it to go on top, because when we serve it, it will get mixed with the rest of the rice. Beautiful. So our mojadra is ready, and we have side dishes to go with it. We have a sauce which we just made some time back, and a thick yogurt, labne, which is also traditionally eaten with mojadra. Our mojadra is ready with the two side dishes to go with it. So we just cooked a beautiful lentils and rice dish, totally Mediterranean and ready to enjoy.